Welcome to Milani's Fun with Thermomix. Today we're going to cook a layered cooking dish. It's called Chinese style chicken. So let's start cooking. First of all, they say place your simmering basket into your mixing bowl lid. We're going to weigh in the rice into this lid like that. Then they want us to rinse the rice until it's clear. So I'm going to do that at the tap. Next, we're going to place a liter of water into the mixing bowl. Almost. And also a teaspoon of salt. Then we're going to put the simmering basket in position. So just with the rice inside, in there. And next we're going to put the varoma on top. And we're going to add into our varoma our vegetables. So it asks for brown onion, carrot, capsicum and broccoli. As you put the broccoli in, you can weigh that in as well. We use celery instead of onion. You can do it at the bottom if you guys want to see what I'm doing. So we'll place all those vegetables in there. Just make sure you make a few holes for the steam to be able to come through. And then we're going to secure the lid. And we're going to steam that now for 10 minutes. So while the rice is cooking at the bottom, the veggies will steam at the top. Alright, so ask for us to stir the vegetables in our varoma tray. It's steamed nicely, but we want it to steam evenly. So we're just going to mix that up a bit. There we go, and just creating little holes again for the steam to come through in the next step. Then we're going to add the tray and weigh in our snow peas. Need about 200. I don't have all the snow peas, but that's okay. Then I'm going to put the lid back on and steam it another bit while we're cooking the rice still. Another 5 minutes. Look how amazing it steamed our vegetables. So we're going to place the vegetables in our thermo server while we carry on with the rest. Oh, look at those colors. Just so yummy. Just get the last few. And with a thermo server, it will keep the vegetables warm until we finish cooking the chicken. Keeps your food warm for up to 2 hours or cold for up to 2 hours. Next, we're going to remove the simmering basket, and it even has a little video to show you how to do it if you don't know. Get another bowl for that. So you just hook your spatula into the hole there. Sorry, I'm just standing a bit awkwardly. There we go. And look at that nicely steamed rice in there. So we're going to transfer the rice into a separate bowl. Look at that beautiful rice. Put that in there. Oh. Perfect rice. Now we're going to discard the rice water and start cooking the chicken. 20 grams of olive oil. Oops, got a heavy hand today. And then 300 grams of chicken breast or thigh cut into strips. So let's weigh that in. You can do 2 batches if you want to do more, like I'm going to do. Now we're going to put the splash guard on top. And then cook that on high heat for 5 minutes. It's like sizzling it in a pan. Don't know if you can hear that sizzling of the chicken. You can do your facials too. So let's have a look what's been happening inside with the chicken. So our chicken is cooked. Can't tip it too far. We're going to remove that out of the bowl, but retain all the juice. So next, we've got to scrape down the bottom to get all the juiciness. So all that nicely fried, yummy juiciness, just loosen it all from the bottom of the bowl. So we've retained all the cooking juices in the Thermomix bowl, and we're just going to scrape the bottom to loosen all that yummy goodness. And then we're going to add 10 grams of fresh ginger. A little bit more, that's okay. We can't have garlic, so I'm going to skip that step. And then we're going to chop that up. Oops. So putting on our lid, we're going to chop that for 8 seconds. So we're going to scrape down the sides. And what's on the lid, I'm just going to scrape that in too. And we're going to add some soy sauce or tamari, 90 grams. Even the dogs are getting excited about it. And then next we're doing, so we can't do honey. I'm going to swap it for maple syrup. Just the fructose content in honey is a bit high for me. 80 grams of that or roundabout. Then 40 grams of rice wine vinegar. Slightly more. And then 3 teaspoons of corn flour. So 3 teaspoons of corn flour, 1, to thicken our sauce up a bit. 2 and 3. And then placing our simmering basket on top and cooking that for 2 minutes. And we're going to pour this lovely sauce over our chicken and our vegetables. I've just mixed the chicken and the vegetables together, ready for the sauce to be poured over. Right, so our sauce has been cooked. Oh, yum. Smells amazing. We're just going to pour that lovely sauce over our chicken and vegetables. And then it'll be ready to serve with our nice rice. Don't you love layered cooking? Now for the taste test. I can definitely recommend. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.